Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I'm making a new headstock / A-frame for old generator. So the top link of the old one had bent, and this chap now, he has bigger tractors, so we're going to make a bigger headstock for it, so basically suits the linkage generally better. So I've copied a red A-frame because those suit the width and height for new tractors and bigger stuff. So I've cut some flat bar to make the lower plates, for the linkage. To drill those, I stacked them top each other and put a tack each corner to hold in place, so I could drill 2 at a time. Now I've just marked some corners off, because this is where you're going to be putting your hands to put the linkage in and put the balls in, so you don't want any sharp edges like that. So I'll cut the 45 off and round them off a bit to grinder while they're still attached, so it's 2 at a time really, speed things up. And I'll cut one tack off at the same time really. What's going to work is I'm going to have these long ones for the ends, then the short one for the inside, and then 2 long ones again for the top link there. So these long ones will blank off the side of the box and all really. So that's the A-frame finished. I put some flat bar across the 2 boxes there and then welded the top links into that. So this is now ready to attach to the actual frame. So just need to put the headstock onto this now. As you see, the old Vicon one, the top link bent on it. So one's a stronger one, and this is quite narrow for the new tractors anyway. So that's it done. New one connected up and new struts made. I also put some gussets at the bottom there because the frame itself isn't that big, so something a bit extra to join it on. So I went round it first with a grinder to get rid of any sharp corners, and I've given a coat over the outside now, so it's finished. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.